Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you to check your battery health inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to your settings app on your phone. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit and click into battery. And if you scroll down the bottom of this page, you can click into battery information. And as you can see here, you've got the battery status, battery level, and battery capacity. Battery capacity is the one you want to look out for. So mine is at 4000 mAh, which is typical. But if it's less than 4000 mAh, that means your battery levels isn't as high as it should be. So if I go back here, there's ways to protect your battery. So if you toggle this on, protect battery, to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. That will help protect your battery. And you can also click in the background usage limits, and you can put apps to sleep to extend your battery life cycle. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. How to check your battery health inside your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.